Good afternoon, this is Paul Reiber coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a super cool, innovative, and awesome vehicle, one of the coolest ones we make here at Freedom Motors. Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years, and this is just one of many awesome wheelchair accessible vehicles that we offer here. With just one push of a button, the entire side of this GMC Yukon XL deploys. Check that out, how cool. 42 inches, really wide, lots of room. We also have Chevy Suburban, Chevy Silverados, GMC Sierras. The whole entire vehicle. So just like that, you can board. I have actual videos on the YouTube page as well showing boarding and exiting from your wheelchair. This here, as you can see at the bottom, has casters on it, so you can just wheel this platform right out if you wish and park your wheelchair right there, and just with the push of a button take off and you're on your way. This is an 8-passenger vehicle with leather interior, Bose premium sound system, backup camera, remote start, 4-wheel drive, 5.3 liter V8 engine, DVD in the headrest, $69,995. This is a pretty inexpensive for what it is. This side wheelchair conversion alone in itself is around $30,000, and these Suburbans go for 70 grand brand new. So these Yukon XLs and Suburbans. So this is a pretty amazing vehicle, and we offer 10-year financing. They have finance options up to 10 years, so you can make the payments really affordable. How cool is this? Just one of hundreds of vehicles we have here in stock at Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Been in business for over 30 years. We specialize in vehicles just like this, not just a minivan, but crossovers, SUVs, Suburbans, Yukon, Sierras. Just a push of a button, just like that. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle like this Yukon or Suburban or Sierra or Silverado, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. It's 1-800-625-6335. We're in Battle Creek, Michigan. We offer coast-to-coast delivery. We have sales reps in the field that will do an in-house demonstration right in your home. If you're interested in this vehicle or any other vehicle, go to our website, freedommotors.com. Check out our YouTube page with all the cool videos of all of our different vehicles. Click subscribe on our YouTube page. Give us a call if you got any questions. 1-800-625-6335. That's Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Thanks so much for watching the video, and have a great day.